Little Pingo decorated his tree and made a wish to the bright South Pole star. He said, "Dear Santa, I'm so lonely here. I wait for you every year, but you never come to the South Pole. Please come this year and bring me a best friend." Pingo fell fast asleep under his tree. But guess what, kids? Something magical happened. The South Pole star heard Pingo's wish and passed the message from star to star, all the way to the North Pole, right to Santa's house. When Santa heard the wish, he used his magic to build a special sleigh train. He told his favorite reindeer, "This year, after we deliver all the gifts, we are going to the South Pole to see Pingo." Do you know why he didn't go before? Because his regular sleigh couldn't travel that far. But this year, like with his new sleigh train, they went whoosh, sliding over the snow until they reached Pingo's tree. Santa left a gift and whispered, "Don't worry, little one. I'll come to see you every single year." Hello, everyone. How are you today? I'm Zizi, and welcome to Zizi's studio. I'm so happy you're here. Let's get to work. Today, we are going to use Play-Doh to make that magical sleigh train and Santa Claus himself. Are you ready? Let's go. Take some red dough, roll it into a ball, then flatten it with your fingers into a nice, chubby rectangle. Take some green dough. Roll it into a cylinder tail. Place it right on the front of your red rectangle. Flatten some green dough and cut out 2 small circles for the side windows. For the front, make a square window and use your tool to draw the frame. Roll a thin piece of white dough and a thin piece of red dough. Twist them together like a candy cane. Now, decorate around the windows. Great job! Make a green square for the cabin. Make a tiny red circle and put a little green teardrop shape on top. Use your tool to make a little hole. There's your chimney. Use brown dough to make 2 long skids like skis and put them under the train so it can slide smoothly over the ice. And put a white square on top for the roof. It looks like fresh snow is sitting on top. Add a white and red circle to the front for the lights. Finally, add some white drips around the train to look like melting snow. Mix a little red, yellow, and white to make a skin tone. Roll it into a ball and poke 2 little holes for the eyes. Add a tiny round nose. Roll some white dough to make a long, fluffy beard. Add 2 small white teardrop shapes under the nose for his mustache. Use red dough to make a cone shape. Hollow it out a bit and put it on his head. Give it a fluffy white trim and a pom-pom on top. Put 2 tiny blue circles in the eye holes and 2 even tinier black circles in the middle. Now Santa is looking at us. Shape a big piece of red dough into a body. Add 2 red tubes for the legs. Add white trim to the bottom of his coat and pants. Use your tool to make it look like soft wool. Don't forget his black belt with a shiny yellow buckle. Make 2 red sleeves and add the skin-colored hands. Now use a toothpick to connect the head to the body. Ta-da! Santa is ready! Wow, everyone, how does your Santa look? I bet he's wonderful. If you want to see how to make the reindeer inside the train, check out my next video. What do you think Pingo will find inside his gift tomorrow morning? Will it be a real friend or a toy? To make sure you don't miss the next part of the story, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next episode for more stories and crafts. Goodbye!